Hi everyone, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making spicy tteo-bokkie. To start this dish, we need 1 pound of rice cakes and 2 fish cakes, just submerging them in water for 20 minutes to defrost. We're also going to boil some eggs. I'm using quail eggs. Use regular eggs if that's what you have. Just 3 minutes. If you want a jammy yolk, 4 minutes. If you want a hard boiled yolk, and put them in ice water. 12 anchovies, 3 inches of kelp, 4 cups of water to make our own dashi, or you can use a dashi packet if that's what you have on hand. For our sauce, we need a tablespoon of sugar, 3 tablespoons of gochugaru, a tablespoon of plum sauce subbed with maple syrup if you don't have this, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of gochujang. Use a little less if you want a little less spicy, but I like mine super spicy. For our aromatics, we need 2 scallions, just chopping up the whites and reserving the greens for garnish. Give me this little choppy chop. About 4 leaves of cabbage, just chopping off that hard bottom, and then into large strips, cutting this in half as well, making it a little easier to eat. Our eggs are done. We're going to carefully peel them, or badly as I do. Put those aside. Our fish cakes should be defrosted, so we should chop this up into little strips in half, and then into strips. And now we're actually ready to make our tteo-bokkie. Over on the stove, we are going to add our dashi into a large pot or wok. Add in our sauce as well. Next goes in our tteo-bokkie rice cakes, and we're going to let this boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we're going to add our fish cake and our cabbage in there. A tablespoon of minced garlic as well. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. Before adding in our eggs and our scallions, let that cook for 3 minutes, and it's going to thicken up. You're going to notice it gets a little thicker because the starch in the rice cake is going to thicken up your sauce. And this is pretty much done. Just plated, garnished with our green onion. And of course, you should serve this with soju if you are of legal drinking age. So now let's go ahead and give this a taste. Sorry, my dog is coming up the ramp, making a little noise. The rice cake is chewy and tender. The sauce is spicy. You get the heat from the gochujang, the sweetness from the plum sauce, savoriness of the soy sauce. The cabbage is perfectly cooked. The quail eggs add this little punch of egginess, and this is absolutely delicious and exactly what I wanted for a late night snack. But there it is, spicy tteo-bokkie. I hope you all try to make this in your home. Thank you so much for spending time with me once again today. I really appreciate every single one of you. If you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell if you haven't already, because I put out new videos every Thursday. Thank you so much again, and until next time, happy cooking.